Hi there. This quick video will give you a brief introduction on how to quote your own divider screens from Specialty. On the specialty.net website, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your reseller account. If you don't have one, please create one. If you need help creating an account, please ask your rep. On the home page, you'll notice this Post-COVID Workplace Products banner. Click the View Products button, and this will show you all of the standard screens that are currently offered by Specialty. You can hover over them and you'll see that some screens give you options for details. If you click on the details, you can either look at more pictures, look at more options, or you can download the brochure or the price list. When you've found the screen that you're ready to quote, click on the Configure button. In the configurator, it'll have you go through options to select exactly what it is you want on the quote. Select your options one at a time. After selecting, hit the Next button and it'll go to the next available set of options. When you've found that you're out of options, this Next button will get grayed out. So the next thing to do would be to generate a quote. If you already know your quantity needed, you can update the quantity here, but you can also do that on the final quote screen. So let's generate the quote. Here it'll ask you if you're done quoting and you want to finish the quote, or if you need to add more items. In this instance, let's add some more items. It'll take you back to the home screen to reselect what product you want to add to the quote. In this instance, we're going to add the same privacy screen, but in a different size, so we'll go back into that. Last time I did a 24 by 72, but now let's do a 24 by 24. And we'll go through the same options and then add it to the quote. Every time you do this, it'll ask you, are you done or would you like to add more items? Once you're done, you can finish the quote. If you know the project name or project number that you want to reference, enter that here. Or you can leave it blank and just hit finish. When the quote's done, you'll see this quote screen. It'll have your default contact information, and then it'll have the products that you've selected. Here you can change the quantities. Or you can delete something if you found that you accidentally put the wrong size in there and you need to go back in and add let's say a 24 by 60 instead of this incorrect 24 by 72. Once you get the quantities accurate as to what you're looking for, you'll notice that every time we do this, it increases the shipping cost. That's because screens from Specialty do not ship free like tables do. There will always be a freight charge for screens, so please make sure that these quantities are as accurate as possible. Once the quantities are accurate, you can add shipping options such as maybe a delivery notification, and then your quote is done. You can share it and email it to yourself or email it to your customer, or you can print the quote, either print it to paper or to a PDF. And that's it. This configurator will allow you to quote any standard screen offered by Specialty. If you need a custom screen, such as a custom size, dimension, maybe a transactional cutout that'll allow you to pass papers underneath the screen, we can quote those too, but you'll have to ask your rep. If you have any questions or need any help with quotes, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you.